In today's video, we're going to see if we can install Proxmox on an Intel NUC and basically discover if we can install Proxmox, basically. So if you are willing to go with me on this discovery, let's start now. Right, let's get started. First, we're gonna search for Rufus. So you just type in your browser Rufus and Google search it. The first link you see, click on that one. Next, we're gonna scroll down and download the Rufus 4.13.exe. Save it where you want to save it. Next, we're gonna download the Proxmox ISO, so you can give it a quick Google search. Proxmox. Select the first link you see. And then we're gonna go under the Downloads tab to download Proxmox. After that, we'll click on the first one, Proxmox 19.1 ISO installer. Save it. You can give it a time to download. It's 1.8 gigs. So depending on your internet speed, it takes 3 minutes or 10. So I'll see you when Proxmox is done downloading. Once it's done downloading, we will open up Rufus. So just double click on Rufus. Then we select the Proxmox image. Click on OK. Then we can click on Start. Then you click on OK again. Click on OK again. And we'll just need to wait for Proxmox or for Rufus to do the setup and everything for us. This will may take a while. Just remember, I've made this video this part a bit faster. If you're looking for any of the links will be in the description below. Yeah, so I'll be back when Rufus is done in a few seconds. Now that Rufus is done, you will see the status will be ready. So we can just close it. You can close it if you want to. And the next step will be us plugging it into the PC. I'm not going to show this part because for everyone's PC it will be either F12, delete, or F10, depending on the PC. But that you need to check on your motherboard which one it would be. So once you have everything plugged in, you'll see your drive. Mine is the scan disk USB. in the BIOS. Alright, so we'll press on it. And now you'll be greeted with a Proxmox installation. So we'll select the first one, install Proxmox VE graphical. It will run. And then next, as soon as everything comes up, you'll be greeted with the screen, the user agreement screen. So we can just click agree. If you want to read through everything, you can. But I'll just click agree. Then we can select our target disk, which will click next. And select your country, which mine is South Africa. And I'll be typing it in there now, or selecting it. Africa, Johannesburg is the time zone, and our country is South Africa. And we can click next. You can make it a super secret password. I'm gonna make it very, very super secret. That probably I'll forget about the password tomorrow or anytime soon. You can type in the email of your choice if you want to get any. If you want your email address to be emailed, email address, your password to be sent to you again. I haven't personally tried that, but I guess it will probably work. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. So we'll make it proxy@proxy.org. Next, you can choose your host name, and you'll see that you'll have the IP address, which is that will be assigned automatically, or you can assign your own static one. But for me, I'm just going to take the static IP on the one they gave me and click next. And that now you'll come to a summary page to show everything that you did, and click next, install. Not next, install. This will take a while. It normally takes about 2 minutes depending on the PC, but I obviously sped this piece up dramatically. It normally takes around about 2 to 5 minutes depending on the PC that you have. So I'll take a sip of coffee, have a donut, tea, whatever feels your fancy. And it's successfully done. You'll be greeted with a login screen. Next, we're going to open up a browser, and we'll type in that address that we saw. So it's 10.0.0.43-8006. That's the port that Proxmox uses. And we'll just click on advanced and proceed to the unsaved website, which is our Proxmox server. The username will be root. So we'll type in root. And we'll type in our super secret password we had. And click on login. And congratulations, you just installed Proxmox or logged into Proxmox. We came to the end of the video. If you have any ideas of what you want me to do next, you can leave it down in the comments and I'll try to do it. If you like this video, like it. If you disliked it, dislike it. And if you want to subscribe, that will be great. Anyways, it was fun. See you in the next video.